All right, people, we got another boss winner. If you like MD, you're going to like Vienna. I'm telling you, this guy is doing this thing, and he's offering up a free watch face that is fully packed for the weekend. Cool? With that being said, let's kick off this review. All right, you all, we got a heck of a watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. This one is super boss. Now, you could consider this one a dress-up watch face and or a dress-down watch face, depending on the customization that you set this one to. This one is a beauty to have in your lineup, all right? This one here is by Vienna Studios. It's called Carbon Legend. It is certified, and I understand what he means by certified. With that being said, let's check out this watch face. Now, in AOD mode, it looks nice. It has a black theme look to it. So if you're going to be dressing to impress, this will be the watch face you want to play over the weekend. Now, looking at the watch face when it's on, it's an analog watch face. I like the smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, which screams premium all day long. The hands also screen premium so far as analog is concerned. And let's look at the watch face. You get a traditional look so far as analog is concerned. And if you look at the top, you get the name of the developer, and you got a couple of dials, right? Over here is going to be your battery, and you got some animation going on here. I love when the developers add some animation so far as steps are concerned. So you got a running man right there. You're going to get your date information down at the bottom. This watch face definitely is fully packed. I got it set on blue. You can customize the color. This blue really stands out in person. I'm telling you, this one you do not want to pass up. But it is fully packed, people. So we're going to check this out. So be patient and let's do this. All right. So if I tap here, I can change the color theme of the watch face, right? So far as the dial is concerned. And I'm going to go through a few of them just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. You get your step information. Right? Well, you go over here, you get your music. So if you're on your run, you need to listen to your favorite song to help you get in tune with the road. You're good. And we're going to tap right here. That's the weather. Right here, you can make a phone call. And let's tap right here. And you're going to be able to go into your calendar, set an event. And we're going to come around to this side here. And so you can go into your contacts, make a phone call. And let's go here. You can change the color theme of this dial as well. So I'm liking this look. I'm liking what my man brought to the table, and it is free. Listen, people, you cannot beat this with a baseball bat. My man did a really good job on this one. And yes, you can change the background theme, right? Which is nice. Cycle through, mix and match. Because not only can you change this color, you can also change the inside color. Let me change it to a black. And so if I want to, I tap here, and here's where I get my many different color themes. Right there. That's where you got your dress up look at. This is beautiful. You got to hit me in the comment section down below, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Let me know if you're going to download this one for the weekend or what. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.